Hooray! All right, y'all, let's try something new today. Learning something. Actually, like I said, I'm happy I gave that quiz it's all filmed over. Gave that quiz yesterday because it let me know what you guys know, and that's quite a bit. Let's look at these two examples. We did the rest yesterday, right? These ones are going to be fun because we get to use Pythagorean theorem in them. I've never been more serious in my adult life. All right. So when we look at number 7, oh, wait a second. Yeah, we do. What's the all these markers. Volume is base times height. You all agree on that?
From yesterday.
Nope. All right. All right. So I need to find B and H. Make my sidebar. Let's do something to make us feel good about ourselves. What's the distance between my two triangles? 31. I agree. So I'm going to put 31. That's there. I'm halfway there, right? Now, what's the area of this triangle right here? It's a right triangle. This is 32.5, 28. Uh-oh. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, right? So I'm going to do 1/2 something times something. Do you agree that the height of this triangle is 28? Or does anyone disagree with that? All right, I'm going to put 28 then. So that means 32.5 has to be my base, right? Oh no, what do I have to find down here? What kind of triangle is this? No, but it's a right triangle, right? So could I do x squared plus 28 squared equals 32.5 squared to find that missing side? Yeah. When I do that, would you believe it? Wait a second. That's not the right page. Yeah. Would you believe it that I got x equals 16.5? Yarnar. I skipped a lot of steps there, but remember, you have to subtract the 28 squared, right, to get that by itself. Not add. It's going to be, because if you get that's bigger than 32.5, is that going to be right? No, that can't be bigger than 32.5. Just look at it. Look at it. Yeah, square root it. Now I can plug it in, right? So when I plug that in, I get 231. Yeah. The bottom part. Yeah, that's 16.5. Now what do I do with those two numbers over there? Yeah, just multiply. Volume is base times height. I got 7,161 kilometers cubed. What is this thing? For those of you who aren't familiar with kilometers, that would be about 2,000 cubic miles, 2,000 to 3,000 cubic miles. That's pretty large. All right. Any questions on this? Pythagorean theorem, area of a triangle. We legit combined 4 different units to do one problem. All right, let's do 2 more and I'm done. I'm done talking. And then you guys legit have 2 more lectures with me the entire year. And then I'm done with new stuff. Who just cheered that? Who wants, let's do that summer school life. Let's do a math club. Math club. Oh, man. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from noon to 3.
So what about esports?
No, in the summer.
Summer esports.
Oh, okay, you're right. All right. Let's take a look at this piece. This is going to be one of the most complex ones we would see. We're going to do volume equals base times height. I got to find that base. I got to find that height. So, what shape is my... You guys want to do the easy one first just because why not? What's my height of this beast? 35, right? The distance between. All right. Halfway there, as Bon Jovi once said. Don't demonetize me. All right. What's the shape of this base? I'm going to draw it to help myself out, and I'm going to reorient it. I'm going to draw it like this. Can I do that? Oh, thank you. 39.4. Do you all agree with that's my trapezoid? So area of a trapezoid is 1/2 height times B1 plus B2, right? Okay. So I do 1/2. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Sorry for language. Do I know the height of that? No. I'm going to have to draw in an H right here. It's too bad I don't know this length right here because that'd be a right triangle. If I do 39.4 minus 25, what's that give me? 4. Now if I look at just this right here, what shape is that? A triangle, not just any type of triangle, but it's a right triangle. It's never wrong. Just like my wife is never wrong. I should show her this. All right. So I can do h squared plus 14.4 squared equals 30.6 squared. Right? Phew. I think there's 2 or 3 in your homework with Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to use a calculator. Can I borrow a calculator? Colin, can I borrow? I mean, Mr. Right Triangle, can I borrow this? No names allowed. I'm going to show you guys something. So would you agree that I have to subtract over that 14.4 squared? So I got h squared equals 729. And then what do I have to do to both sides to get that by itself? Square root it, right? When I do that, I got h equals 27. Phew! If you aren't having fun yet, nothing. So I'm going to do 1/2 times my height times my B1 plus B2. Okay. And I got 869.4. Questions. That was a lot. Again, y'all can do every step. It's just a matter of doing them all. It's very tedious. Now I get to plug in my base times height. And when I did that, I got my lucky number. 30,429. Doesn't come up a lot in lotto tickets. Now it's at square centimeters, right? Right? No, cubic centimeters, of course. Oh, I feel like this one should be worth more than 4 points. Maybe even 12. No. All right. If we can do this, we can do anything. One more. I have one more I want to do, okay? One more time. Were you guys able to fit that in your box? Let's look at cylinders. What have we learned so far this year when we get to the circle ones? They're usually pretty straightforward. What two things have you needed every time? You've needed a radius and a height of some sort, slant height or regular. Why does this work? Pi r squared h. Pi r squared gives you the b, the area of a circle, right? So technically, isn't everything just base times height? Yeah, it's the area of the base times height. It's just the area of the bases, pi r squared. Okay? So let's try number 10. My formula for volume is pi r squared h, right? Or the area of my base times my height. What's my r? What's my h? 11's my r. Are you sure? No. What's my r? 5.5. What's my h? 21. Plug it in. So V equals pi times 5.5 squared times 21. Which I got the year I was born. No, it's not the year I was born. 1995.7. I'm an 87 kid. Meters cubed. And that's it. That's your guys' third to last lecture. Except for the math club kids. Don't forget about that.